last night, I tried but I couldn't sleep. Thoughts of you were in my head. I was lonely and I needed you next to me. Life is harder since you left. I never meant to do you wrong, and now all is said and done. I hope you won't be gone too long. No. Where do I go? What do I do? I can't deny I still feel something. And girl, I wish you could say you feel the same. Yeah, you've broken the bond, I gotta move on. But how do I end this lonely feeling? You've gone, I'm here alone. I guess it's time to grow.
Ce qui arrive, notre histoire restera inachevée.
Like you never knew I was there.
Tu te bats en ce moment, je préfère m'en aller.